Good morning, guys. I'm not. Good morning to you, sir. But yeah. So we have this massive. It goes way back there. I didn't record half of it, but we also have all that too to go through, and we're waiting to go inside. I'm not sure how hot it is here, but it's pretty hot. We're in black. And yeah, so I will catch up with you when I get inside. So we are at World War Tunes. It is right now. They have it set up as like a virtual reality thing. So you get the little headset and everything, and actually over here you get like a little. You can like run, and you know it just. You might see me on that. You might not. We're gonna play this. I'm not really sure what it's like, but we're gonna be doing that. I'm not gonna be able to record it sadly, but it should be a lot of fun, and I will let you guys know what I think about it and how the VR actually works.
Twitchcon 2016, welcome to the third ever Deadman Invitational Tournament. Well, we have quite a final hour ahead of us. I hope I'm not being too loud. But before we get anywhere, let's do some quick introductions. So I'm your host, Monstterdude.
And I'm Mike Ronan. I'm going to be co-hosting with Monstterdude. I am the community manager for RuneScape.
So we just saw real quick a very brief introduction of what exactly Deadman mode is. Do you want to go a bit more in detail of what we're about to watch?
Yeah, absolutely. So anyone who's seen Deadman knows exactly what it is. Hey, for the newbies. Everyone starts a brand new account in Deadman mode. Each season, you'll log in, you'll be level 3, fresh off the Darude Islands, and you'll be training up your stats over the course of a month, and it will be far more deadly than any version of RuneScape you've ever played in the past. Everywhere is PvP, except for a few dedicated safe zones, and if you die, you lose a hell of a lot more than you would otherwise. You'll lose your stats, you'll lose items from your bank, so it's a lot more risky, but also a lot more rewarding. If you're getting a kill, you're also going to get a key with access to that person's bank, so you're going to get some big loot, setting other people back, because every time you step out of a bank, you're really risking it.
Yeah, like you just said, high risk, high reward, exactly it. In fact, 1 month, that's not until next season. This past season has been 3 months, right?
Has been, yeah. 3 months of grinding just to make it here.
These people have been playing and training their accounts for 3 months. All of it comes down to 1 hour. This is pretty crazy for them, right?
Absolutely. So over the course of the next hour, starting at, well, it's about 15 minutes now, just about. We're going to put everyone into the free-to-play area.
So after a while of VR and much later on in the day, we watched the RuneScape, and now it's the Twitchcon Crisis. We got Lyric, Tatman, and Miss May, and I think that's all that I know of that are playing in it. But here is Lyric right there. Here's a setup just like yesterday. It's gonna be kind of loud and probably hard to hear me, but you know that's what we're doing. I'll get some clips of them playing some Overwatch, and yeah, I hope you're enjoying it. This place is packed full of people. I wonder why, because you know there's just only some big streamers that are playing this.
And it's Overwatch.
And Overwatch. But you know, CSGO is better, right? Right. You know I'm right. So yeah, I'll tune in with you guys later.
Ellaheim, Lyric, and Haley Nick. Let's come on out, guys. All right, how are you guys all doing today? Doing good. We're confident. You're confident? Oh yeah. Do you have any shout-outs you'd like to give to your fans? I just hope you guys are all ready to watch the best team win. All right, well said. How about you? Anything you'd like to say to your fans before you begin?
Hello.
Well said. How are you feeling today?
Feeling great.
Ready for these? Ready for Eichenwald?
Oh yeah, absolutely. These guys got nothing on us. They're terrible. I've seen them play. I play with them regularly. They're horrible.
All right, I'll take your word for it. Lots of confidence coming from the Inglorious Bathtubs. How are you feeling going into this match?
Good, thank you.
What heroes are you going to be playing?
Well, we can't tell.
Oh, sorry. Don't want to give away the strat. All right. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great.
Any shoutouts for your fans?
Hello. I'm about to go with weird, so I'm just like that.
Hello. It's a very popular greeting. And how about you?
I'm gonna be playing Farah. I came all the way from the United Kingdom just to play Farah. So like, yeah, what up to anybody who's a viewer of mine in the crowd? So that's kind of it.
Oh, sorry, I pulled the mic away from you a little bit early. Cut off. All right, guys. And Team 2, named Girl Power, consists of Fairlight Excalibur, Tim the Tatman, Queenie, Mrs. May, Lindsay Elise, and the Gamer Chick. So come on out, guys. Give them a round of applause. Oh, go ahead and have a seat, and then I'm gonna come around to you guys. You guys don't do any of the work, I do all the work. How are you guys feeling today?
We are ready to win.
Well, I heard a lot of confidence from the other team. I don't know if you could hear them backstage, but they're pretty convinced that they're going to win.
Well, I said we're ready to win. So it didn't necessarily mean we're going to.
True. There is a difference. How are you feeling today? Confident?
Yeah, I think, at the end of the day, as long as I can BM Lyric to the maximum capacity, I think it's gonna be a personal win for me. That's my goal.
All right, you got goals. How about you? Feeling good? Anything you want to say to your fans?
No, I'm just excited to play, and hopefully I'm gonna beat Valkia. And we usually play competitive together, so it's gonna be fun to finally beat him against him this time. So.
All right, it's gonna be fun to finally beat him. How are you feeling today?
Feeling pretty good. We got some secret intel. I think we got this.
All right, well, I see you guys do have a Pharaoh on your team, so what about you? Any shout-outs to your fans?
And I am ready. I have been preparing my whole life for this moment. I am ready to go.
It all comes down to this, the $0 you could win. And finally, Miss Farah, how are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm 1000% not ready at all.
All right, so a lot of these guys are ready. Some of them maybe not so much, but we're going to go ahead and throw it over to the casters, and they're going to take care of you. So take it away, Stir, and ask Joshy.
First game done with. Now we're on a commercial break for at least Twitch right now. Lyric won and they lost, but having still fun. Played CS
the costume
earlier over there,
about to start, so
and people were really into my skins apparently because they thought I was cool with skins. So yeah, cool kid. So yeah.
There's actually no res available on defense. Oh my. How did that happen? Look at that, Fairlight's down. They're actually capping.
Inglorious Bathtubs only used, Yui used her revive. They still have 5 of them ready. It looks like they're actually going to get this point right now.
I can't believe this. And they actually successfully took point A.
That pretty much means they win the game.
That's insane, yeah. That's a feat that I do not think can be replicated.
That demonstrates very properly.
We are now in the Kappa Theater. Bud Light is hosting it, and it's 21. It's like a 21 and older event to be in here, and they're giving away clearly this much. I didn't even drink that much beer. So yeah, not sure what we're doing, but it starts in about 29 minutes. But we're also gonna hop over to the rave, so you'll see just a little bit about that and what's gonna go on at the rave, because that's gonna be lit. Just got into the venue now, ready for the party. Hey, and everyone, it is getting, how do we get down?
Hey, how do we go down?
We have to go all the way around over there. Okay, so yeah, T-Pain's playing right now, and I'll get to you whenever I get closer. Made it to the floor. Lit over here. It's lit, bro. We're gonna go catch up in there and have a good time, boys!
Everybody say, Mr. Rain Man, can we have a rainy day? Bring an umbrella.
what's going on, guys? First off, as you should probably tell, I have cake like right there. I'm not sure if y'all know Steve Aoki. That's what he normally does. He normally cakes people, and there's like 6 or 7 cakes out there that he threw out, and some of the debris came on and flew, and yeah, hit me, got me. It was actually a whole lot worse. But then some girl came up to me and was like, "Yo, I'm gonna lick," or she's like, "Someone should lick it off." I said, I guess, and so yeah, she did. And then everyone like put it on my lips, like, "Oh, you should, you know, lick it off there. You missed the spot." But no, it was super fun, super actually pissed off. Not really pissed off, but disappointed, really. Before I cross the railroad and don't die, watch this. They're about to go down. The little ding dings. So yeah, I'm gonna hopefully die by a train because it is coming my way. So as you can see, the things just went down. What was I saying? Oh yeah, it's disappointing because Darude didn't actually play Sandstorm. He like played it, as you probably saw in the earlier video, in the little clips. He like put it in and then took it out and then played another song. And we waited because we thought it was gonna be an encore song, but clearly it wasn't. Don't know why he didn't. That's like the meme song, and everyone was chanting. I think I got it. If not, you won't see it. But if you do, you've already seen it, and you see everyone chanting, and then there's a whole lot more chanting, a whole lot more kick throwing. It's all here. It's just all over the place. On my shoes, even my new shoes. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to the loo. I'm gonna go back to the hotel room. I'm gonna go back to the hotel room real quick, and I'll catch up with you then.